Well, it's amazing all the kind of vehicles that pull in here for service. Well, it looks like this one's got a bad tire. We're going to have to see if we can fix this tire. I don't know. It seems like Dad's garage is in full swing again. My wife's selling some little Tykes push car, and looks like one of the wheels is split. So we got to get in here. And I got to see if I can fix this bad boy. Woo! Let there be light. I'm going to get in here back in my highly organized workshop. Good Lord. Anyways, I got all sorts of projects. Finished carpentry projects. Rebuilding engine projects. And over here, that's been a long-term one. Fixing refrigerators for RVs, all sorts of crazy stuff. Anyways, but I need to find myself, I think, a little mini torch to see if I can, like one of these guys, to see if I can heat up the tire enough without melting it too much, and basically re-welding that sucker back together again. Well, I'm not really sure how this thing looks like it's been wearing down like this for a while here. And you can see what the other tires look like, and they're okay. Just happened to be this one that's split along the seam. So what I'm hoping for is I can kind of heat it up with a torch a little bit, soften it up, and then hold it together and kind of re-weld the plastic. So we'll see what happens. It's a little distorted, but I think I'm going to start on the best side and work my way around. Starting to sprinkle here, but this pretty much ran out of butane, or at least not enough to power it. So you got to have your good old butane refill. This will work the way it's supposed to. Loosen up. Valve there. Hopefully that's going to work. Woo. This stuff's cold. Look at that. Alright. See how she works. Alright, a little sandpaper. Well, I took her for a test drive and the tire split halfway. So I'm doing this method. I'm using the glue gun and I'm building up a bead inside here, you can see. I use this guy here. And on a high setting, so it actually kind of melted the plastic a little bit. But I'm hoping that this, I put quite a bead inside these openings. And what I'm hoping for is I can feel there's definitely a heavy side to this tire. So now it's off balance, hopefully no high-speed driving. That's where the worst was. There really was kind of a gap because the tire was worn down. So me trying to pull it together and weld it, it just, as it reached its natural shape, it tried to pull apart. So half of it stayed just fine, was welded, but the half that, you know, wasn't enough plastic left, it just pulled apart. So, you know, like any repair, it seems like it always takes longer and involves more on anything. So even with this little kid's car. Right, so I had to do a little touch up with that. I found my Sail Blue Rust-Oleum. I mixed it with a little bit of my, gosh, I have way too many cans of paint. True Blue. Did a little sanding, a little gluing, a little finishing. And here we go. We got ourselves our little cart here working, which is good. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. Yeah! Test drive complete.